Let me show you how you guys can change currency in TradingView. So once you're over here, make sure you're in the chart section at the top. Once you're inside the charts, you can see at the bottom left corner SPX. In your screen, it might show you different, but like whatever is being shown, you want to click on that. And over here, you want to choose. So let's say I want to buy gold using Australian dollar. I need to know the code of the gold. So the code of the gold is XAU. Now, once I write XAU, I can choose like USDT or like AUD or something like that. And it's going to show. It means I'm trading gold with Australian dollars. But if I just write USD, it's going to show me gold/USD, which means I'm trading gold with US dollars. So from here, you just need to enter the code of whatever you want to trade, whether it's stock or anything, and then just enter the amount. Enter the currency's code. USDT, AUD, NPR, stuff like that, and it's going to show you the pair. You can choose that and change it. That's how you guys can change currency in TradingView. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.